Trying to represent null values in YAML? Whether you're working on configuration files or data serialization, knowing how to handle nulls is a key part of writing clean, valid YAML. Let's jump right in and try to break things down. In YAML, a null value simply means no value, or the absence of a value. It's the YAML equivalent of null in JSON or none in Python. There are actually multiple ways to represent null in YAML, and the format you use can depend on style or use case. Here are the most common ways to write null values in YAML. Explicitly using null, using a tilde, leaving it empty. All three of these mean the same thing. The value of key is null. So, which version should you use? That's up to your team or project's style guide. But here's a good rule of thumb. Use null for clarity, especially when working with tools that parse YAML. Use tilde if you prefer concise syntax. Leave it empty for minimalist configs. Just make sure it's still readable. Let's say you're configuring a user profile in a YAML file, and the user hasn't provided a phone number yet. That clearly signals to your system that phone exists, but doesn't have a value yet. Using nulls properly in YAML helps prevent parsing errors, keeps your configs clean, and ensures your application handles missing data gracefully. In summary, YAML gives you flexible options for handling null values. Null, tilde, or just leaving it empty. Each one gets the job done. Just pick the one that works best for your project. Want to go deeper into YAML and other dev essentials? Check out our hands-on courses at Educative. Catch you in the next one!